Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your Trello API token. Trello API token is basically a secure digital key that helps you program or access your service account on another service without needing your password. So for the purpose of this video, you wouldn't be logging in to your Trello account. All you have to do is go to your web browser and type this prompt: Trello/powers up/admin, and to take you to this page. So the next thing you want to do is head over to this new button over here at the top right corner and click on it, and it will bring you up to this page. Alright, so you have to fill in these boxes for you to be able to create your Trello API token. So the first thing you want to do is type in your integration name. Right, I'll just use this. Alright, and then choose a workspace, select your Trello workspace, type in your email address. I'll just use mine to just ensure that you fill in this particular page, and then any other support contact or Gmail address you would want to use. I'll use this for the purpose of this video, and then I'll type in my name. And then after doing this, you can see that the create button has opened up to you. So you click on create, all right, and then you generate your API key. All right, so this is your Trello API key that has been created. Ensure that you copy this to somewhere secure and save it, because you would not have access to it after now. So you copy your key and copy your secret code, and then you have been able to create your Trello API key. I hope this was a simple task for you, and I hope you've been able to create your API key on Trello. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until another time, bye for now.